As we age, maintaining strong, healthy legs becomes more than a matter of comfort. It's essential for preserving independence, mobility, and quality of life. For many older adults, the journey to better leg health may seem daunting, but recent research has brought to light a remarkably simple daily habit that can make a profound difference: incorporating olive oil into the diet. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, has long been celebrated for its role in the Mediterranean diet, which is associated with longevity and reduced risk of chronic illness. But new studies are now shining a spotlight on how this golden oil can specifically transform leg and muscle health in older adults, sometimes in as little as a week. Let's begin by understanding why muscle and leg health matter so much as we grow older. After the age of 50, muscle mass and strength naturally decline, a process known as sarcopenia. This loss leads to reduced mobility, increased risk of falls, and a greater likelihood of frailty, which can dramatically impact daily living. The legs, being our largest muscle group, are particularly vulnerable. Weakness in the lower body can make basic activities like standing up, walking, or climbing stairs challenging. Now, imagine if a simple tweak in your daily routine could help counteract this decline. That's where olive oil comes in. A pivotal study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology in 2022 tracked over 90,000 adults for nearly 3 decades. The findings were striking. Individuals who consumed more than half a tablespoon of olive oil per day had a 19% lower risk of death from any cause compared to those who rarely or never consumed it. But the benefits didn't stop there. Higher consumption of olive oil was also linked to reduced risks of cardiovascular disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases, conditions that can further limit mobility and independence in later life. But what about direct effects on leg health? Recent research has delved deeper into this question. In 2020, a study published in Clinical Nutrition examined the impact of monounsaturated fatty acids found abundantly in olive oil on muscle strength and function in older adults. The results were clear. Those with higher olive oil intake showed a significantly lower risk of muscle weakness and lower extremity functional impairment. In simpler terms, participants who made olive oil a regular part of their meals were less likely to experience the muscle loss and weakness that often plague older age. Building on this, a 2021 study featured in the Journals of Gerontology took things a step further. Researchers found that seniors who consumed more olive oil had a notably lower risk of frailty, a condition marked by reduced strength, slower walking speed, and low physical activity. Frailty is not just a minor inconvenience. It's a major predictor of falls, hospitalizations, and loss of independence. By preventing frailty, olive oil helps preserve the foundation of an active, self-sufficient life. So, how does olive oil work its magic? The answer lies in its unique nutritional profile. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid, which help reduce inflammation and support healthy cell membranes in muscles. It also contains powerful antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E, which combat oxidative stress, a key contributor to muscle aging and weakness. Together, these nutrients nourish muscle cells, enhance circulation, and may even support the repair and regeneration of muscle fibers. Incorporating olive oil into your daily routine is refreshingly simple. Start by swapping out less healthy fats, such as butter or margarine, for olive oil in cooking or as a salad dressing. Drizzle it over steamed vegetables, mix it into soups, or enjoy it with whole grain bread. Aim for at least half a tablespoon per day, as highlighted in recent studies, but remember that even small, consistent changes add up over time. You might wonder, can such a small change really make a difference in just 7 days? While the most dramatic health transformations occur over months and years, research suggests that the body begins responding to olive oil's nutrients almost immediately. Increased intake of monounsaturated fats can quickly improve blood flow to muscles, while antioxidants start working to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress from the first serving. Older adults often report feeling more energetic and notice subtle improvements in joint comfort and muscle flexibility within the first week of adopting this habit. Beyond muscle and leg health, olive oil's benefits ripple through the entire body. Its heart-healthy fats help lower harmful LDL cholesterol while raising beneficial HDL cholesterol, supporting a resilient cardiovascular system. Its anti-inflammatory properties protect the brain, reducing risks associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. And, as research confirms, it contributes to an overall reduction in the risk of premature death, making it a true cornerstone of healthy aging. For seniors with existing leg weakness, or those recovering from injury or surgery, adding olive oil to the diet can complement physical therapy and exercise efforts. While no single food replaces the need for movement, olive oil provides the nutritional building blocks that help muscles recover, strengthen, and grow. Of course, quality matters. Choose extra virgin olive oil whenever possible, as it contains the highest levels of beneficial antioxidants and retains the purest flavor. Store it in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency, and use it generously but mindfully, as part of a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. If you or a loved one are looking to support leg health, maintain independence, and enjoy a more vibrant, active lifestyle, the science is compelling. By making olive oil a daily habit, drizzling, dipping, or dressing, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, you're investing in the strength and vitality of your legs, and by extension, your entire well-being. In summary, the latest research reveals that a simple daily serving of olive oil can help older adults maintain stronger, healthier legs, reduce frailty, and lower the risk of major diseases. It's never too late to make this small but mighty change. So, lift your spirits and your mobility by embracing olive oil as a daily ritual in your journey to better health. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video good and useful, save this video and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video.